Understanding robust conversation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that sounds straightforward but carries a lot of depth: robust conversation. Join us as we unpack its meaning and usage, ensuring you can confidently incorporate it into your English communication. Let's dive in. First up, let's break down the term robust. In general, robust refers to something that is strong, healthy, or vigorous. When applied to objects, it suggests durability and the ability to withstand rough conditions. For example, a robust piece of machinery can operate under stress without breaking down. When we talk about non-physical things like ideas or discussions, robust implies depth, thoroughness, and resilience. A robust argument, for instance, is well supported and difficult to refute. Moving on to conversation. At its core, a conversation is an informal exchange of ideas between two or more people. Conversations can range from light, casual chatter to deep, meaningful discussions about complex topics. So, what happens when we combine these concepts into robust conversation? We're talking about a dialogue that is dynamic, engaging, and substantial. It's not just small talk. It's a conversation that dives deep into subjects, challenging participants to think critically and share insightful views. A robust conversation involves active participation from everyone involved, with a willingness to explore different perspectives and sometimes even defend one's viewpoints. These discussions are marked by clarity, coherence, and persuasiveness, and they often lead to a richer understanding of the topic at hand. Engaging in robust conversations is crucial for several reasons. It helps in enhancing understanding of complex issues by examining them from multiple angles, building stronger relationships through meaningful interaction, developing critical thinking and communication skills. In educational, professional, and personal settings, the ability to engage in robust conversations can lead to significant growth and learning opportunities. We hope this exploration of robust conversation enriches your understanding and encourages you to seek out and participate in these fulfilling discussions. Remember, robust conversations are not just about agreeing or disagreeing. They're about engaging deeply with ideas, learning, and growing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep the conversations going.